Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make an object out of procedural individual grains of sand for those kind of close-up shots where a texture might not cut it. So I've gone ahead and made 8 different shapes and they all have a unique shader. Before doing this you want to make sure that these are all aligned to the center of the grid. To begin with, I'm going to use the outliner and just select all of our grains of sand, and then I'm going to come to mesh and create a new mesh network. Go to the attribute editor and under mesh 1 distribute we'll change that from linear to mesh, and then we'll drag our guide geometry or whatever object you want to use into the input mesh. That will then scatter our grains of sand on our object. We'll go ahead and add one more node, an ID node, to use all our grains of sand, not just one, and set the ID type to random to make it as random and organic as possible. In order to make this run a bit smoother, we're going to select our mesh, and then we're going to come up to mesh utilities and then switch mesh geometry type so that this is an instance instead of actual geometry. We'll then come back to our mesh distribute node and then just start increasing the number up to something like 10,000 just to begin with. And as you can see here, we now have a large number of particles, but still not quite enough. I'm going to up this to something like 500,000. You can see now we're starting to get something a lot more dense, and we can even go ahead and hide our guide, and there is our ball of sand. As you can see, we're now getting a nice individual grain of sand effect, which is literally physically accurate because they're individual grains instead of a texture.